Right, hey guys, so I'm here opening up a package. I got this jacket for Kevin. His birthday is next week. It's December 13th. This is my Vlogmas. I'm gonna be vlogging for Vlogmas. I never did Vlogmas before, and I'm just gonna be very transparent because they said the Vlogmas is supposed to be about you like being yourself. And I'm not gonna say I don't be myself, but you know, most people are private. I would consider myself kind of a private person. So yeah, this year we're gonna put up a Christmas tree. Our apartment is smaller this year. It's been small for the past 2 years, maybe 3 years now. But you know, it's temporary. And I'm gonna just take you 2-3 times a week, maybe 4, just in my daily routine, what I do, how we're preparing for the holidays. Do not mind my space. All of this is gonna be getting fixed. I'm gonna be upgrading stuff. Probably gonna end up getting a new couch also, because the sales were pretty good on Wayfair. Shout out to Wayfair. But yeah, I ordered him a coat that he wanted. It's a moose knuckle jacket. It just came today, and I'm opening it up with you guys so we can see how it is. The details in it. Don't mind me sniffling. My nose is running. I have something going on. I don't know if it's allergies or it was a cold. I don't know. I was around little kids for Thanksgiving. But yeah, so this is the jacket. This is the packaging. So let's see. They really had this packaged up. I need to get some new, what is it, microphones? But yeah. So I'm going to stop talking now. But we have 24 days until Christmas because it's December 1st. And I'm posting this today on December 1st.
Okay, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. This is my first year joining, as I mentioned, and I wanted to start it off calm and cozy and intentional. Today, I'm going to show you guys Kevin, new Moose Knuckles winter coat. And if you know these coats don't play around about their quality, the weight, the stitching, the hardware, it's giving real winter protection. So this is what he asked for, and I said, okay, let me get him a little designer. I see him trying to, upgrade. So anyway, this coat represents the energy I want for the holidays, especially for him. It's comfort, quality, and those things actually matter. And I'll be honest, downsizing into a smaller apartment was very humbling for me. At first, it felt like I lost space. It really did, because I had a really big apartment prior to this. But now I realized I gained perspective. I was able to make this space as cozy as possible. I'm still working on that. I'm going to, put some paintings on the wall, get a new couch, stuff like that. And also, it's a little bit more manageable. And even though it's temporary, we made it home. We made it very cozy for us. And when it's time to move into something bigger, trust me, I'll be ready. But for now, this season is about appreciation. We're even putting up a Christmas tree this year, as I mentioned. And yes, in this small space, but I made room for it. And honestly, I'm actually kind of excited. I want to be festive. I want a nice, peaceful holiday. No chaos, just joy, warmth, and energy. This is my first year doing Vlogmas. And I want to connect with you all on a deeper level. Show you the behind the scenes, the real life moments, the cozy days. You know, I'm going to try to post, and I'm not going to say I'm going to be posting 3 to 4 times a week because I want to keep it realistic and enjoyable. So once again, I want to say thank you for watching and being here with me for day 1. And comment, like, and subscribe because day 2 is coming and we're just getting started.
I gotta say something.
Go turn around.
Huh?
Turn around. Keep turning. The fur you could take off if you need to.
No. I gotta take a photo of this.